Balik mga kapuso sa GMA Regional TV Live karong tuiga espesyal alang sa atong nasod dining pagtimaan nato sa ika-500 ka tuig sa pag-abot sa Kristyanismo dinhi sa Pilipinas. Karong buntaga mga kapuso, atong ilailahon ang artist behind niining atong gisunod karon nga logo nini dakong kalihukan sa nasod sa atong quincentennial celebration of 500 years sa Christianity. Makauban nato karong buntaga mga kapuso, Brother Edilberto Dionio. Good morning!
Good morning po, may buntag, Sugbo.
Daghan kayong salamat, brother. We learned nga Sugboanon gyud ay imong makagikan og nagdako ka dinhi sa Cebu. Unsay gibati nimo that your logo has been chosen as the official logo sa 500 years sa Christianity dinhi sa Pilipinas?
First and foremost, I'm very, very happy. At the same time, I'm humbled kasi nga po, as I know, na marami po talagang magagaling na digital artists. So, parang for me, it was a privilege. It was a grace of God na parang napili. No? Kasi, listen ko yung compete sa mga modern people like in the digital world. No? So, marami pong magagaling po talaga.
Can you give us a story behind unsay meaning ining imong logo, mga symbolisms ini, brother?
As you can see po, yung pong logo po natin, may makikita po tayo yung pinakang prominent figure, yung cross, because it signifies yung pong yung Magellan's Cross. And then, doon po sa cross, may makikita po tayong color blue, yun po yung dove. And it's a form of a cloud kasi po, in the Hebrew world, the Israelites, they consider it as a presence of God, Shekinah, yung pong clouds na yun. And the dove is actually going to the left side orientation because it tells us that we have to go back to the past so that we would be able to recognize our origin, kung saan tayo galing. Going back to the cross, it gives us an idea that this is the symbol of our salvation, where Jesus was crucified for our sake. And also, sabi po kasi doon sa criteria, requirements for the competition, kailangan po in the mind of the artist to preserve that idea of baptism. So, doon po, I digitalized the work of Fernando Bersolo, a sign derived from the Philippine flag, to give us a glimpse of our Filipino culture, the Philippine flag. And doon po sa ilalim, makikita po natin yung kulay red. It's a subtle way, but it gives us an idea of a fish, an ictus. Ictus po, ito po yung ginagamit po ng mga Christians before to communicate. And it's colored in red because the martyrs died, they shed blood for our faith. And also the tip of the sheep, because the church is a sheep, theologically speaking. No, we belong to that sheep as Catholics, and it also gives us an idea of the Noah's Ark. And then in the underneath the ictus, you can see the beads. It's actually the rosary. And lastly, you can see the subtle hand, the color brown underneath. No, because over and above, it is the hand of God that, parang in His time, He unfolded this mystery of our faith 500 years ago. So parang siya yung in everything. He is in control of everything. Yun po yung parang kabuuan.
How and why did you come up with this concept and design, brother? Og unsa kadugay nimo ni nga gipreparahan?
Honestly, it was like a week before the final competition, the final submission of the work, of the entries. So I started sketching on my journal, the logo, and then started to also write down the descriptions. And really, for myself personally, I was really inspired. Kaya all throughout that week, I was really meditating. Lord, ikaw nang bahala, Ikaw nang makalooban po kung mangyari naman. So I was doing it, and yeah, as I've said earlier, marami pong magagaling talaga na artist.
We learned nga some of your artworks are being kept in different mga institutions. Unsa man ning mga ubang nga nabuhat nimo nga mga artworks, brother?
Actually, medyo may numbers na rin po, no? Especially the three hearts, I mean the Holy Family, the Alliance of Jesus and Mary. These are religious images. Since nandito po ako sa religious community, I used to paint or draw yung mga religious mga images po.
Coming from you, brother, nganong significant ug angayon gyud natong handumon nga mga Pinoy kining 500 years sa pag-abot sa Christianity din sa Pilipinas.
Kinahanglan dyan natong handumon, no? Kasi this is a gift from God Himself. This is a gift that our church fathers in the history, our early Christian family, no, they fought for it. And at this time, nasa atin, sa atong higayon, sa ating time, that we are also asked and challenged to promote the faith and really defend the faith as well.
And to cap this off, brother, unsay mensahe nimo sa mga nagtan-aw nato karong buntaga?
Each one of you may be a mother, you may be a father, or a kuya, or a bunso. You have your gift. And you have to share it in your family, in your society, in the whole church, so that the kingdom of God, the kingdom of love, will prevail over the darkness of sin, over the darkness of our times, this present time, no? Mga COVID, mga problema sa ating bansa, no? This can still be overcome, outgrown by our faith, by our gifts. No? If we used it, we utilize it properly. Yun po.
Gifted to give. Subay pa sa atong tema karong tuiga. Thank you so much for joining us
Thank
this
you so
morning. We're
much,
blessed to have
Sir
you this
Nico.
morning. Mga kapusong artist ni ining logo sa 500 years sa Kristyanismo sa nasod si Brother Edilberto James Maria Dionio. Sa dahan kayong salamat, brother.
Thank you, salamat. Praise the Lord.
Thank you so much. God bless you.